You know, ours is a free education platform to help the needy students related to free education as well as to provide material to the students who are under poverty line. So, just we need your help to promote it. Watch, always subscribe the video. It is multi-tech education for you. A free platform for everybody for education, but material for the students below poverty line. We have just started. So, if you subscribe, push the bell, share it, it will be a great help to promote our this free education platform. At the moment, I am alone and pushing up the things, and we have so many contents, means whatever student want to learn, he can find in our videos like PCB designing, programming, coding, and lighting effects, LED effects, basic videos for basic knowledge. So let us start. So my dear friends, the Eagle is a free platform and we can download it from the Google search. So we will search, download old version or say any version, Eagle software, and we will select it from the row below. Download Eagle PCB software. From anyone we can proceed to download this software. So let us choose this free download Eagle software full version, so that we can search for the latest version 9.2. Now Eagle Loader download and build, but we will select for the actual from the Autodesk because it belongs to Autodesk, the Eagle PCB designing software. So we will move from here. Now we are on the screen to download it, and see Windows is already selected, and just we have to click on download. It will start downloading. But in my computer I have some problem, I made mistake, I downloaded it but it doesn't open. Immediately it closes, this latest version 9.2. Maybe my mistake. Now see, we have got the icon, not icon, the program. Now from this program we will install, and your icon will come like this E. But in my case icon is coming, but immediately it closes. So accept the agreements, this, that. So it will get it installed on your computer. On your computer, no problem. Maybe my mistake, I selected trial version of this, that trial version finished of this latest 9.2 version of Eagle. Therefore it is creating problem. But my other version 7.2, it is working perfectly, so we can proceed from that also. There is not much difference. Little modifications they made in the coming versions. So for you it will be okay. For me, I use the other one. Now see, I open, it will close immediately. Now icon has come, I open it, but it will close. In your case it will work, and the control panel will come the same, where we will start working. So I have saved it in the taskbar also below. I used to select it from anywhere. Now here the control panel will open like this. In your case also, in 9.2 version also. So here is the Eagle Autodesk. software which you can now here is the control panels menu, file, view, option, windows, as normal as it is always. Every site used to have, but the inside as per the working they have different tools. Now here is library, design ruler, user language, but we are concerned with the project in the last as well as with the libraries. In starting, we are going to use these two libraries and projects. So I will minimize it because when we will open the project, one other screen will also come. So we have to work on two screens, three screens. So I will minimize it and then we will proceed for the projects. So dear friends, it's easy. Now see, we have come to library. Now you will see here there are green dots. So I will remove because I used, but in fresh, in your case, there will be no green dots. So you have to, and you will not be able to open these components from this library in our working platform, schematic platform. So here are the projects. This is the Eagle project. So you want to save your project in the Eagle folder. You want to make your separate folder. See, before I have made it so separate folders, and examples are there. You can see examples. See, different examples you will find. Just to increase your knowledge from the examples folder. Now I have loaded this Arduino circuit, and these circuits are also helpful. You can choose any component from here and take it to in your project schematic. If it is not in the library, you can choose it from here, the part of the circuit. So that we will see later on. Now we will make our folder, our project. So this Eagle folder is also there in your documents or in users file in your computer. So whatever project you will make here, it will go there. It will be saved there. So in future, in any computer, you can work with that. So let us go to this Eagle folder, or we can go to the file also to make this project. First, we have to start a new project. So from file also you can create a project. You can give a name and start files in that folder, schematic, board file. So two files, open file, new project, right? We will first click on it. This. Now it has come here in the Eagle folder, right? We will give it a name. This is empty project. Green dot is here, means we are working. So I will give a name. You can give any name. I will give the name of this my free education platform, Multi-Tech Education for you. We will create. After this, when our folder is created, in Eagle main folder, subfolder is Multi-Tech Education for you. So now we have created. We will highlight it. Then we can go to the file also to create our schematic folder, our working platform, where we will start working. drag the components from the library, choose the components from library. Now see, this is our circuit, full wave rectifier. So I will give the name to the schematic full wave rectifier, schematic. So we will work on this drawing of full wave rectifier. All the components we will drag from the library, then make wiring, this and that. So now in this we will create one schematic file. First step, from the file we will go, we have highlighted our multi-tag. From here we will select schematic and our platform will open to work with. So here you can see so many things are there, board is there, but board we will make from schematic. Initially we need not to select that. Now this is our schematic working platform, and there are so many symbols in it at the left side. What I did, I just take a pic of these symbols just to remember these symbols and write down the function of each symbol, each tool on a paper, so that when I used to forget I just check from there. So I adopted that way. Now save, because till we will not save, it will not be shown in our Multi-Tech Education for You folder. See, there is nothing at the moment, but when we will save it, full wave rectifier, it will appear in the Multi-Tech Education folder. See, full wave rectifier, the schematic file is there now. So like this we have created schematic file in our Multi-Tech Education folder, and afterwards the board file will come also here. When we will complete this schematic wiring as per our circuit of full wave rectifier, then we will create board file and we will save that. That will also appear in this Multi-Tech Education folder. So this is our main platform. Now we can start working on that. No need for board file at the moment. From here also you can create the board. After we will complete schematic, at the top there is a symbol. We can make and create the board file from there. And these are the symbols. We will take one by one. See, I made this picture from the camera of my mobile. Then I print out on a big paper, A4 size, and I write down the function of each symbol, name and function of each symbol in front of it. When I started learning this Eagle PCB, so it helped me a lot. When I used to forget something, I just checked this paper, and it reminded me that this symbol is used for this symbol is used for this. So many symbols are used in schematic, so many are used in the board file also. In board file, when we will open, there will be little bit change in these symbols. Some additional symbols will be there. So you can also do like that. Ready reckoner for the symbols. So again we are on our schematic folder. And we can go one by one with these symbols. From the symbols we will select the library also, from where we can, the library from the control panel will appear here if it has all the green dots. And this is the save. So many symbols, and everything you will find written below. When you will bring the cursor on that, you will see it is written below. It will show what for is this symbol. the name will appear of that symbol. The function you can make practice, you can note down on a paper, just to use them, to remember them. And this is the grid. It is very important thing. The grid selection, when you will make a schematic and want to make a print out of it, the size should come same in the printout. Not like this, scaled, this, that. If you measure from a scale, it will show 2 centimeter and actually it is 6 centimeter. So the actual size will come when you make a print of it, if you select the grid properly. So very important thing to select the grid. So there is the basic value for the grid. Now minimize, you can zoom in, zoom out, fit in window from these symbols. If it runs away, you can bring it back from the fit in window symbol, zoom in, zoom out, so like that. And these things are normal, usual. In so many programs you will find photos, 3D paint, like this. So now from the library, how we will bring the components as per our circuit. Now you see it is green because I used it, but in your case when you are fresh, it will not be green. So I will deselect it. Now there is no green dots to show you. You will find like this. So how to bring green dots? Otherwise these symbols, these components will not come on your schematic platform. You have to bring these symbols on your schematic. So what you have to do? We will go to library again, and you see this is the circuit, diode, this is voltage regulator, resistance, LED, capacitors. So these components, I will not bring the transformer, I will use the 2 pin heads here only. So transformer will be outside. This is the symbol to bring components in our schematic from the library. Now see, there is nothing because there are no green dots in the library on the components. So it is showing nothing. Otherwise it should show your symbols to select and drag into your schematic. So now we will come to library, and what we will do, use all. We will select, and you see the green dots appeared there. Now it is ready to drag these components in your schematic platform. So here the library role is finished. Now we will see, press this symbol of the components to bring, and complete library is appeared now in this screen, because this screen is very important. From here you will take the components in your schematic platform, the working platform. You will take it there. I will write something. I will search the symbols from here. This is for pin head I am searching. So here I write down the pin only, then drag the components, and you see I need 2 pins, but here is coming only 1 image. Image should come both sides. So for 1 pin there is an image, but I don't need it. I need 2 pins for positive and for negative in the starting and at the end. So this is a folder. If you will choose the folder, the board image will not come. This is schematic image. At the right side, board image will come. So how it will come? You means this is a folder. You have to click it, and you will find so many pin head symbols in it. If you will choose it from the inside the folder, not from the direct folder, it will not give you the right side board image. So just click on it. Now you see the two symbols have come. So we will select this. Now see at the right side there is a board symbol also. This is other type. If we will choose the other pin, now I click the folder, the symbol will not come. But inside the folder, if I will select pin head, then it will appear from the folder now. So again I will click on that. You see this is other type of pin head which I don't need. I need this one. So board file has come. Left side is a schematic symbol. Now we can go make OK, and it comes on our platform. So we need two. So you can make two, then just escape. And now my dear friend, remove this, close the folder. Otherwise what will happen, if you will choose the next component, it will keep searching in the same folder which we cannot find. So close the folder which you have used, pinhead. Now we will search another. You see RCL, you will find resistance, capacitor, inductors, everything in it. So you can choose from here the resistance which you want. This is 5 volt, 7 volt, 5 volt, like that. So normally the symbol we use, there are different type of resistance. See, I click the folder, the right side symbol is gone, board symbol. When I will click inside, see it has come now. And you can find this grid also 3 mm, 0.254 is the size. So we select it and bring it here. Name and values we will mention afterwards. So we need 2 resistance or 1 resistance, we can select accordingly. So time to time save it. So my dear friends, this is the selection of symbols from the library, and now we will proceed in the next part for the wiring, etc.